Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt. Right? Are you sure this time?
I am Nick Schmidt.
Are you Nick Schmidt?
Last time I was Hank Strange when we started the video. This time I'm Nick Schmidt.
Yeah. Lola was like, Nick was waiting for you.
I gotta
and
tell you,
I was like, no.
You
because
paused.
Too many thoughts went through my brain.
You
and
paused.
I was like, you know what? Don't do it.
You paused and I just jumped right in. I didn't even think I was gonna do it. But you just took a breath and that was all I needed. All I need is a little crack and I got right in.
He was ready. He's always ready.
So I took my Shilajit this morning.
Oh, did you?
I did.
Okay.
And if anyone knows what Shilajit is from the Himalayas,
right?
It's like
the Shilajit is legit.
The Shilajit is legit.
Oh, okay, cool.
And my son moved back in the house with me. He's getting married in 4 months, so he moved back in to save money, and now we're working out together in the mornings again.
All right.
So if you've ever worked out with a Division I athlete,
oh boy,
don't do it.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
How old is he? 22? Oh.
Squats, lunges. I mean, the stuff he had me doing this morning.
Don't do it. You're going to get hurt.
Yes, I need more Shilajit.
Yes, you're going to need more than that. All right, so we're here to talk about something that's kind of unexpected.
Yes.
I don't think you've done this before.
Never.
It's a show. And as we all know, the show must go on.
It is a show.
So what is this show called?
So the show is a Tampa RV summer show.
Okay.
And we are going to be in Tampa. We had raving phenomenal success in Tampa this January. Thanks to your help and a lot of other people, we sold over 50 vans in one weekend at the Tampa Super Show.
That's a lot of vans.
In January, it's a lot of vans.
Right.
At the Tampa Super Show in January. Now they have a Tampa Summer Show in June.
Yeah, what's that about?
It's a show where the weather's not cool, it's hot.
Yeah, well, exactly.
And,
is this indoors?
Is
this refrigerated?
This is partially indoors. Yeah, it is indoors.
Oh, it is. Okay,
There's gonna be some stuff outdoors.
All right, nice.
But it is gonna be indoors.
All right.
And they called us and said, hey, we got a sliver, we got a spot.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to come? And we typically don't go because it's not our territory.
Okay.
But they invited us to go because of the great success we had in January. They said we want sunshine at the show.
You messed up. You don't ever let sunshine in.
Everybody,
if you let the sunshine in, you know the song, right? No, let the sunshine in. Well, you know what? I don't want to get in trouble on YouTube. But once sunshine gets in there, it's in there for life, baby.
It is in.
It's in for life.
We are able to bring some really cool vans to Tampa. We'll have about 20 vans there, so we won't have the wide variety that we had in January, but we'll have about 20 vans in one spot in Tampa at the Tampa show. It's June 18, 19, 20, and 21.
So what's gonna be there, Nick?
So very cool. We're gonna have outside van. We're not getting into that today, but we're gonna have outside. We're gonna have Roadtrek.
Roadtrek's gonna be, this van's gonna be
there? This van will be there unless it sells in the next 2 weeks.
Sprinter van, this is
it's a 19-foot Mercedes all-wheel drive Sprinter van.
What's it called?
A Roadtrek Agile.
Agile, okay, cool.
This is a Roadtrek Play Tough.
Nice.
With a pop top. This is their brand new panoramic pop top.
Right.
This
ceramic pop top would be nice.
Ceramic pop top would be nice. Yeah. This is a panoramic pop top.
Are you gonna have Westfalia?
We are. So we're gonna have Westfalia Wave pop top there.
Okay.
And a Westfalia Wave non-pop top.
Cool.
They'll both be there.
Nice.
And then we're gonna have the whole Midwest lineup.
Oh, okay, that's what we're looking at.
So this is beautiful, right?
Is this a MD4?
This is an MD3.
3. Oh yeah, we did something on this.
We've done videos on this. I love the color, the interior, the luxury. This is the Patriot with every single option.
Very nice. Yeah.
1,620 amp hours of lithium.
We've got tons of videos if you guys want to see.
All-wheel drive, air ride, massaging seats. This will be there in Tampa.
Right.
A Ford Patriot, which is your favorite chassis.
Yes, the best. The
best chassis.
I'm not always happy with Ford, but this is the best chassis. I'm not happy with anybody. You know this.
You happy with me, Hank?
I'm okay with you today.
Perfect. Oh, today.
It's not too hot.
The day is young.
Let's see what happens later.
So, Ford Transit, Midwest Patriot van, this will be there. And we're going to have multiple colors and all kinds of cool stuff will be there.
Midwest is getting a bunch of these coming in.
Oh, my gosh. I am super thankful. I mean, I am super thankful that we have.
I like the stitching that they always do. So you can see right here.
Yeah.
Right, the nice stitching. And
that's cool.
So this is kind of like a mocha brown kind of thing, which matches whatever the furniture is, right?
Yeah, this is ash wood with their light leather, the white. This is our best-selling color combination here. Especially in Florida, it's nice and light and airy, and air conditioner, tons of lithium, 1,300 amp hours of lithium, a macerator, all-wheel drive, tons and tons of cool stuff.
Yeah, and then I heard you can get off-road upgrades on these coming up.
We're getting our first fully off-road overland Ford Patriot in the next month.
Yeah, I think I know the guy.
I know the guy too.
I know the
Great dude. He has two of the biggest dogs I've ever seen. And cool dude.
Yeah, I hope those dogs can drive.
I hope they can. Yeah, I don't know. And then Heritage. So we're gonna bring Midwest Heritage. So we'll have Heritage, we'll have Ford Patriot, we'll have Mercedes Patriot, we'll have Roadtrek Agile, and we'll have Roadtrek Play Tough. All that's gonna be in Tampa.
So how do people, like, what's the details of this? I know you said it at the top, but how do people find out? How do they get tickets? Or
yeah, lots going on. So June 18, 19, 20, and 21. The tickets, I mean, you obviously walk up, I think it's $5 to get in. I don't really know.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah,
but
it's not as like the Tampa.
It's not like the Tampa show
normally. Yeah,
the Super Show. It is smaller.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have some great vans there. I mean, some of our vans we can't bring because of territory laws. Like we can't bring coachmen, but you know what? We can still sell coachmen there. We can't bring Winnebago, but we can still sell Winnebagos.
Right.
So if you want a show price on something great like that, come to our display.
Plus they can hang out with you.
They can hang out with me, potentially you. They can hang out with Canada Mike. Yeah. We're gonna have lots
You're gonna have refreshments. You're gonna have drinks.
I don't know if there's any truth to the rumor that you
popsicles.
know. Yes, all of it. All of it. All of those things. Hank, when was the last time
people will show up there and ask you for that. You better get some popsicles.
When was the last time you were in a Roadtrek Agile?
I think it's been a while since we looked at one of these.
Yeah, let's take a look.
So Sprinter, is this all-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive.
Like yep.
19 foot, 600 amp hours of lithium.
Okay.
And
let's go in.
I mean, it looks nice. Doesn't this look good?
Yeah.
I like how wide open it is there.
Yeah.
I like the color here. So, you know, it has a light wall but dark cabinets.
For
I like
a 144,
the contrast.
I don't even think we've looked at a 144 in a while.
I mean, a lot of places aren't doing the 144 traditional RV. I mean, Midwest does their FD2.
Storyteller, of course.
But it's not traditional. That's an overland.
That's true.
This is a traditional 19.
So where is the bathroom is on the opposite side.
This is a traditional RV, 19 foot.
There you go.
And it's pretty unique the way they do this. How they kind of have the shower here, and it's a decent sized bathroom, you know, but for a 19 foot to have, you know,
a full bath,
and it's pretty nice little side bath.
Yeah. And so does this come out so you can put a mirror here or flip the mirror, or what's going on? Oh, this is the mirror.
There's a mirror here, so you can do a mirror on this side too if you want.
Yeah.
You know, and then you got a little wardrobe cabinet here.
I like to see myself when I'm taking a shower, you know. Yeah. Come on, if you were me, you would like to see yourself when you're taking a shower also.
Or you have a mirror
I'm going to work on that. I'm going to talk to Lola about that.
I do not have a mirror in my shower. Why would you?
Of course I don't.
I close my eyes when I'm in the shower. Of course I don't.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like soap getting in my eyes.
Oh, yeah, me neither. So this is cool. There's a microwave, refrigerator, everything's in here. Yeah.
Cool little stores, like a little hidden storage thing there. But yeah, so 19
it's got
foot,
all the stuff you would need. Digital rear view mirror.
Big nav screen, push button start, adaptive cruise, power heated seats.
Yeah, so, there's no pizza oven here for you to bang your head on.
No, Firefly, lithium, underhood generator, 3,000 watt inverter. Cool. So lots of cool things. We have two of these here right now.
Okay.
These will both be in Tampa for the Tampa Summer RV Show, as long as they don't sell. Now, if someone walks in right now and buys this, I can't take it to Tampa. So that's what I'm saying.
So no matter what, you'll have some vans there.
We will have vans, yeah. So we'll have Roadtreks, we'll have Westphalias, we'll have we're going to have Midwest vans. We'll have outside vans and Rossmonts.
Yeah.
So
some people like to see you face to face and wheel and deal with you.
They do.
Yeah, they like that. They like that.
I'll be there.
It's like a sport.
You know what? So I went home. So we didn't find out till Friday that we were doing the show. So I go home and I say, "Hey, Mary, so June 18th weekend, we were."
Yeah. She probably had plans.
Well, she said, "Nick, the week before is your birthday and you're golfing with your friends, right?" I said, "Yeah." She goes, "Well, I kind of had something planned for your birthday that weekend." I was like, I committed to the show. So
you gotta go hang out with Mary.
My birthday's June 12th. The show's June 18th.
Is she coming to the show?
So I think I have her convinced to come hang out at the show with me for my birthday.
Oh.
That's what 45-year-olds do on their birthday.
I know, right?
They go to RV shows and hang out.
You are about to get dropped in a couple of years with grandkids and all that. You better put the work in, man.
I better put the work in.
Yeah, you got to do it. You got to do it.
Well, I know every year you go to Ocala for your anniversary.
Yeah, I'm there during the anniversary.
During your anniversary.
Yeah, don't remind Lola of that. Never
When's
happy
Lola's
about
birthday?
It. Lola's birthday is in January.
Yeah, so it's usually around the Tampa show.
Yeah. Yeah, it's always fun.
We celebrate
Always
with
fun,
our big
You know,
anniversary.
hey, you gotta
Actually,
put the
this
work
year,
in.
January 24th is my anniversary. We were in Tampa for my anniversary
Oh,
this year.
cool. Cool. Congratulations. How many years?
23.
23.
Yes,
Nice.
can you believe it?
Nice. Yeah, that's amazing.
23 years.
Yeah, Lola and I are like 27 years, but we've known each other 30 years. Long time.
Wow.
I'm surprised I'm still around.
I am surprised as well.
I know. You know, I'm a lucky guy. What can I say? People ask me to trick. I said a long time ago when I first met Lola, I took her to a hypnotist, and she's still
hypnotized.
she's still on it.
Interesting.
I'm never giving her that
I need that
code
hypnotist's
word.
phone number. I need that hypnotist's phone number. Are they still in business?
No, he's gone. Nobody's
So
gonna.
there will be no
unhypnotize Lola.
hypnotizing at the Tampa show. We will not hypnotize you to buy an RV.
Right.
But there will be some great deals on some great RVs. You get to hang out with the guys and girls from Sunshine State
Who's coming
RVs.
with you up there? What sales guys?
Austin will be there.
Austin.
Corey will be there.
Okay.
Aaron will be there. We're going to have some more of our team. Tim will probably be there helping
Mike.
out. Canada Mike will be there. I'll be there. I'm trying to convince Hank to come hang out.
Right.
Maybe have lunch with us one day or something.
I don't know.
It's
It's gonna take
hot.
a lot of
It's
convincing.
going to take a lot of convincing.
Yeah.
Got lots of plans.
Yeah. Summertime is when I run around.
Yes.
You know, I
Yes.
run around
You've been
in
going.
summertime. Yeah.
But I'm excited. I think it's going to be fun. I've never done it.
Should be.
Never been to the Tampa Summer Show.
Yeah.
Never done. I mean, it's, you know.
I think you're gonna bring the life to the show.
I hope so.
You know, the life in the crowds. Everyone's gonna come in to hang out with him. You'll sign autographs and all that. Have some headshots.
No autographs.
No.
being signed, no. Somebody asked me to sign their RV the other day.
What?
I told them no chance. They said we're not buying it unless you sign the RV.
Okay, somewhere. You
So
know,
I signed it right here.
inconspicuous. Oh, okay.
So right here,
Yeah.
I wrote. I signed my name right there.
Oh, cool. All
I
right.
was very embarrassed. to
That
do it,
now it's worth
actually.
more.
I
You
told
should
them.
have added.
I said we are.
Is that like an extra fee?
I said we are devaluing your RV by doing this, and they didn't believe me.
I don't know. I
But
guess you didn't get that joke.
I was very honored.
Uh-huh.
I was very honored.
No, that's cool. That's cool.
But yeah,
All right,
pretty
so,
exciting.
yes.
June 18, 19, 20, and 21. 4 days in Tampa. Lots of great RVs.
Yeah.
We'll be there, and we'd love to watch you, or whoever's watching to come meet us.
Yeah. Don't say we didn't tell you about it.
There you go.
We're out of here. See ya. Peace.